Ikampo mo kami, ikampo mo kami,
San Lorenzo,
ikampo mo kami, ikampo ninyo kami, ikampo ninyo kami, ikampo ikampo mo kami, ikampo mo kami,
San Lorenzo,
ikampo mo kami, ikampo ninyo kami, ikampo ninyo kami, ikampo ikampo
Lastly, I pray also for wellness of Father Saki Montipalcon, Father Roger Taguran, Father, and also for all priests and all people who have asked for my prayers. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity.
My intention also, Bishop.
For the Archdiocese of Ozamis, the elected officials, Governor Henry Swaminal, Congressman Jason Almonte, Congressman Sancho Fernando Waminal, Congressman Inge Waminal, Mayor Canama, Mayor Acosta, and Mayor Sam Fuentes, and also Ma'am Pearl Fuentes. I pray for you as I light this candle, and also particularly the clergy and the sisters, religious sisters, and the four of us who are here. Monsignor Boy Naron, Father Jason, Father Rondo Roma, and also for Father Eman and for Father Ponce, for all the priests, Father Rolly and Father Daryl, and also for Father Andel, Father Diding Aguilar, and also for Father Jerry Lawrence, Father Loloy, Father Melo, Father Dere Ascona, Father Sunday Kumita, Father Timmy, Father Ruben Lustre, Father Henry Rebel, Father Gistone Gonzaga, Father Gistone Gonzaga, also Father Edward Cabada, Father Mr. Dohilag, Father Dodong Palma, Father Tony Sagrado, for Father Marvin Osmeña, Father Serminar Pangilinan, Father Repernia, Father J.C. Langgam, Father Egaw, Father Cody Sarinas, Father Dexter Banuelos, and also Father Edgar Canama, Father Lolo Balbuena, and also Father Sian Martin, Father Brendan Kelly, and all priests and sisters of the Archdiocese of Rosales.
Ang babayaran nandoon.
Pardon, monsieur. Pardon.